Marble Beach, a well-known beach found along the Kenya Road, around 11 kilometers away from Trincomalee. Marble Beach got its name because on a clear sunny day, the sea sand would sparkle like marbles. The beach is run by the Sri Lankan Air Force. The beach is very clean and the beach is quite shallow until about 1 kilometer. So there is no fear of drowning and you can send little children there without fear. Marble Beach is known for its calm and quiet sea, but when we visited there, a storm had just ended, so the waves were quite rough. But we still enjoyed it very much, and in fact, it was the most fun beach that we visited during our Trincomalee journey. Sadly, we couldn't record too much because we spent most of our time in the sea. Hope that you will also be able to visit this natural wonder someday too. Well, that brings an end to today's YouTube video. If you liked our video, please leave a comment, like and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to visit our TikTok channel and our Facebook account. See you again soon with another video. Bye.